Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So we are starting a new YouTube channel which belongs from the niche of technology. So in this channel you can find every kind of tech videos. So before starting our first video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to join our YouTube family. So basically in today's video I will tell you how you can send secret messages to your friend like this. So sometimes we want to send some secret messages to our friend, but our friend ignore our message, or somehow they cannot pay any heed on our message. So in this video I will tell you how you can send interesting secret messages. So now start the video. So friends, first of all you simply need to open your Play Store, and from Play Store you need to download a application which name What's Spoiler app. So you simply need to install this application into your mobile phone. I already installed this application because I am personally using this application. So when you install this application, then simply open it. Then they will show this type of they will show a screen like this. On the upper letters you simply need to write your message. Means I am now showing you how you can use this application. Where is what spoiler? So now here you can see your surprising message like breaking news, and now we are making this message interesting. And now you can write here your hidden message like this. How are you? I have your money, or like as you wish. Means this is the place of hidden message as you want to send to your friend. So simply need to copy to the clipboard and then open your WhatsApp account and send it to your friend like this. Now you can see I send message to my friend. He just received a notification like this, breaking news. So when he open the when he click on to the read more, then he see that how are you, I have your money. So when he scroll back and again open, then you can see there is just option of breaking news, no more option of secret hidden message. So when he click on to the read more, then he will see the complete message. So I hope this application is very interesting and useful for you. So if you like the video, then it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, because this is our new channel and we really need your support for growing. So thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Stay in touch with us.